me get some more of them cups.
The Magic Boys! It's the 4th annual! The 4th What's up, nigga? You already know. Let's go.
Hold on, nigga. That's the DJ of the year. That's the DJ of the year dropping that shit. DJ of the year.
DK.
I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money with. Take me out the trap.
Hey, what phone are you doing? Let's go. I done dropped the blood. Baby, what up? Well, all of Florida in this shit. Ready ice. Yeah. Let's go though.
Hey, y'all turn that shit off, man. So look.
Hey, what we gonna do, dog?
Hey, y'all tell me turn that shit off.
We gonna start sending state troopers to
So
this nigga
look,
shit.
this is what I'm gonna do now. You playing Ron 49. Ron 49 in the back, man. How you want him to perform that shit and you want to play the shit? How you want him to perform that shit and you want to play his music? So y'all abide by the rules, man. We gonna play this music from up here. Like I said, I understand y'all got that shit in y'all car. Hey, but Kinsley, free my nigga KT, man. Let's ride. Free Big Juice, nigga. 1, 2, 3. What? I ain't even feeling.
What you say?
Raw 49 in the back. Raw 49 about to come out.
If I die tonight,
Y'all niggas talk about that. See, we. Oh, what? Say, nigga, you.